Well, hello again. This is Ed Roselle, Pause Marketing. I'm coming to you in another video here. This video we're going to talk about Udimi and how to do your first selection for solo ads. If you don't know what solo ads are, they're a way for you to buy clicks out of somebody else's email list. You buy a certain number of clicks, they will send those to whatever, to your funnel or your website, whatever it is you're trying to promote. and So Udemy is probably the easiest place to get started in this with this kind of a business here. So if you don't have a Udemy account, you can sign up for it by going to the link that's below this video. Just give them your name, email address, and billing information. You'll be signed up. If you are also an affiliate marketer, it says down here you can earn 15% from all referrals, or up to 50% if you're Prime, and they're Prime. Prime is a paid version of Udemy, but the free version you can still get 15% from others. But to do that, you have to go to this affiliate link up here, affiliate tab, open it up, follow the directions, and give them your name, emails, some other information, how to get paid, and so on. So it's pretty straightforward and probably worth doing. Should be worth doing. So you're here to learn how to select solo ad seller. So if you're looking for solo ads to buy, the easiest way here is to go to Find Sellers up here. Open this up, and it says there's currently 257 sellers in the system. A little bit about what these blocks tell you. The number up in the top right corner is the average cost per click that they sell. This center one here this one says 33%. When you buy a series of clicks from one of these sellers, after it's all over with, you'll be given an opportunity to do a review, up or down thumbs, and whether or not there's sales. So this one says 33% of his reviews that he got back claimed that they got sales out of the run. These numbers down here are the number of runs that they've sold. In this case, 327, and there were 2 of them that were rejected. I think that's what that is. But so you find people that are like this one here. This Caleb is a much higher price because he's done a lot of he's sold a lot of these. He's been very experienced at this. The newer ones that haven't done too many are going to have cheaper prices. Okay, now that's a lot to go through to try to find. So, but you can change the niche. Up here is a way to slow this down. So this right now it's set to any niche. I usually run my stuff on marketing because I'm more interested in internet marketing, affiliate marketing. But when I move that to marketing, it goes down to 249 sellers. So there's quite a difference there. If you're interested in other areas such as health and fitness, you can go in there, but there's only 64 of these that have email lists that are suitable for health. So I'm going to put it back on marketing. Here's another trick here that helps. Growth got sales. So this is this number here. You can say I want to have at least 10%, 20%, or 30% sales. Okay, here's I said we're on marketing and asking for people who had 30% or more sales. reports. So that's not too bad. These are some good guys here. Some really good guys. Let me see if I find a reasonably one here. This one is a 31%. He's done 800, so he's got quite a bit of experience. Uh, Most of the ads that these people run are from U.S., Canada, UK, maybe Australia. That's where most of them, but once in a while there's some others like Poland and others that come in. So if you want to buy, say from this Jason here, you open this up, open him up. Hello, there he is. And you can select the number of, it's set for default of 200 visitors, 200 clicks. You can, and that's $83 here. If you go to 100, it's down at $43. So 150 is $63. So you select the number of clicks you want, and I'm looking for. So I've got a bunch of easy things in here. Here's our Freedom Funnel here, the one that I use. These are because I've already put these in, but you have a choice of putting in an email, or you can uncheck this and have them write it. Even if you put an email in here for them to use, they may change it anyway to match their list a little bit better. But the important thing when you do this, you need to put the tracking link in here. See that? There's my tracking link, forward tracking track. If you haven't seen this trick in an email editor here, this is a link symbol. You highlight the area that you want to have the link, and then open that up and paste your link in there. That was my ClickMagick link for this particular product that went in there. So that's all you do. You basically, from there on, it's just a matter of adding to cart and going through the sales process like a normal buy. And that's all there is to it. You can buy your first set of solo ads very easily here. So I thank you for listening and watching, and I hope to see you in another video very soon. Thank you very much. Okay.